Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by verifying the essentials, make sure Windows is updated and you have admin rights. Once done, open Control Panel, choose Programs, then turn Windows features on or off. Next, find Windows Media Player in the list and check its box. Click OK to apply. The system may take a minute to install components, be patient. When the dialog finishes, restart the PC if prompted, because that ensures the player components register correctly with the system. Once the feature is installed, you need to wire it into the system. Open Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Default Apps, and assign Windows Media Player for audio and video file types you prefer. Then press Win+R, Run Services. MSC, and locate Windows Media Player Network Sharing Service. Make sure its startup type is manual or automatic and that it's running. If you plan to play rarer formats, install a reputable codec pack and restart the service and the app. Now launch Windows Media Player from start and import your media. Use Organize right arrow Manage Libraries to add folders. Play a few MP3 and MP4 files to confirm audio and video work. Make sure the correct output device and volume are selected. If playback fails, don't panic. Reopen Control Panel and uncheck, then recheck the Windows Media Player feature to reinstall it. If problems persist, run command prompt as admin and execute sfc/scano to repair system files. Then
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.